Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can enable your always translate post on TikTok. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your TikTok app. After opening a TikTok app, what you're going to do is go to your profile, which is on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner right here. After tapping on it, now go to your settings, for which you have to tap on the hamburger sign that you can see in the top right corner right here. After tapping on it, here you can see there are multiple options from which tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on it, now scroll down and then tap on language. After tapping on language, here you will be able to see the option of always translate posts. Simply just enable it in order to turn on translate posts. Just like this. Now you have successfully enabled your always translate post on your TikTok. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.